welcome to my channel. We are see you again in my second video. In this video, I want to share about my unforgettable moment in my life. I think this is one of part from my story of my life. Welcome to my life. Now, I want to share for you about my first experience use sewing machine. I was not a graduate from a vocational school for especially fashion designer department, but I was a graduate from senior high school. I love makeup, I love art, and I love fashion. This is my reason to be a fashion designer in my future. And so I tried to search some information about this department in some universities, and I found in a university state of Malang for fashion designer department. And then in the 2017 I registered in these universities, and alhamdulillah I accepted in this department, and I'm very so glad for this. When I knew that I accepted in this department, I feel I can do this. But in the real situation was not like in my mind. I think it was not easy. In my first experience, when I used the sewing machine, I didn't know how did I can operate this. I just thought what I did with this. I was so confused. I just remember when I studied subject about the basic of the sew technique. If you will see me, I perspired and my body is trembling. It happened because my teacher was angry. But I tried to be calm, and I thought that I can do this. I was a perfectionist. I worked my job with perfectly. In my first time when I studied in my college, I felt so stressed because I repeated my job again and again until I got my perfect result. Although in the end I used more time than my friend, and honestly I was slower than my friend in my class, and I remembered I got some criticism from my teacher, but I thought this is my process to be success, and I was not give up, and I more practice than before. I think enough for my story, and I think this is a part from my dream and my passion, and I hope I can give you some inspiration and motivation for your life. And I'm so sorry for my mistake, for my pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary. And thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.